Wasn't out here yesterday, but you can see they chopped it and dropped it. Chopped it and dropped it. Y'all see how smooth I did that? Chopped it and dropped it. That's my new thing. Chopped it and dropped it. I'm a copywriter, so don't nobody try to copy off me and say that. But I guess the front window's missing. As you can see, they got that tape, a bunch of tape up in there. But that one doesn't look too bad. I mean, what do y'all think? What do y'all think about that one? The rims look okay on that one. The color looks okay, but we'd have to get over there and see the whole thing. But that looks like a 1980 right there. But they don't have prices on. Y'all know it got the Caddy Escalade with the tow hitch. Alright, y'all. Woo! Let's see here. I'm trying to see the alarm off. Got the little mat down in there. Look pretty clean. Don't know what the heck they're asking for it though. Woo! They got no little kill zone. I miss my soul. Little tow hooks in the front. Old school Escalade. Big pipe on it. Y'all, I like these though. I like these Escalades. Remember when they were super popular back in the day? Somebody hit it right there. You got a little bang bang choo-choo train right there. I'm gonna have to hop in and drive as I go along. I ain't trying to get too far. Got my babies with me. This is the old model Kia, so mine was newer than this, because the newer ones, they don't have the opening for the hatch right here anymore. It's down here. Oh shoot, this is from Hagerstown? Hey, I got family in Hagerstown. Hey, cool. Little Kia Soul. Okay, wait a minute. This got the price on it. $49.95. I don't like the old one though. It looks too round in the front. I really love the new ones because they get that slick look for the headlights. Or sleek look for the headlights. You know, the soul design on the seats. But the black with the spin on there, they ain't looking really for color in the sun. Ford Escape over here. I don't like the Ford Escapes, I'm gonna be honest. They got the tow hitch on it. I mean, I don't know what you're towing with other than like a little trailer. They're just basic, little basic affordable SUV. My bad, y'all. I hit the stop by accident. Basic, like I was saying, basic affordable SUV. $39.95. That ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. Just not for me. I don't like the Escapes. And then you got the Equinox over here. That's the old Equinox. I do not like this body style. I had the one. Dang, all these little SUVs got the tow hitch on them. What is up with that? This is the LT model. But I had the generation after this one. The charcoal gray one. Pretty good little SUV. Except for when it started misfiring. And then you got another one. They must like the Equinox. This is $49.95. And I'm gonna pull up some. Go pull my vehicle up some. It's got the basic tan interior, cloth interior in there. Hold on, I'm gonna pull up some of them. I gotta go to the bathroom too. Drank too much today. Alright, so we was on the Equinox, but y'all, you know, you've seen them before. And again, like all these old vehicles have tow hitches on them. See, towing a little trailer, you're not gonna really be towing anything heavy. Got the Cooper cord right here. Hope y'all can see me. I got my mask on. I always put the mask on because I'm not trying to get sick out here. Regardless of what anybody else thinks or believes about this, you know, situation, I'm not gonna get sick or get my family sick, so I'm gonna leave it at that. We got the cloth interior in here. This one doesn't have the sunroof. It's just basic regular snag the top. Clean these lights up a little bit. Got a real good looking Honda Accord. If there's somebody hit it right here, you got that big push down dent right there. Not too bad. You can take the fender off and beat that out. But they got them wheels shined up, nice and clean. You got a little scuff right there, nothing serious. One single pipe Accord. And then you got the Saab 2.0 turbo right here. This one got tags on it. Convertible. The convertible is, I don't know what's going on right there. A little messed up a little bit. This is automatic. They just washed these because you can see the water right here is wet. I'm not trying to get my shoes wet. So, you got the Saab right there, y'all. Convertible. Regular tan leather interior on there. And then you got the 325i over here with the little roof rack. What y'all think about the 325? The windows steamed up a little bit. A little regular gray interior. I don't like the gray interior. Let me see. This is the older one. They ain't have no prices on the last couple cars. But yeah. We step over these water puddles. Yeah, you got the roof rack right there. Mostly out here, people put those on there so they can carry their surfboards and stuff out by the beach. Need a new BMW emblem right here. It's funny, I got one of those at my house, but yeah. So y'all think about that 325i, and then over here, what's this? The Kia? No, this is a Hyundai Elantra, I think. Yeah, this is, nope, I'm wrong. Ascent. Dang, this came from nice. Got your little cheap basic Ascent right here. Good, I'm not really a fan of Hyundai. Yes, I got a Tiburon, but I'm not a fan of Hyundai, really. I don't really get Hyundais. I've never actually owned a Hyundai until the Tiburon. This is a, like, cheap, you know, quality vehicle. Get you the A to B right here. Type vehicle, one of those little vehicles like that. That's, you know, affordable for your pockets. And then you get the Ascent. And then we got the Cabrio over here, the Volkswagen. I say Cabrio. Some people be like Cabrio. Whatever. I say Cabrio. Little mini convertible right here. This is like a small dad car to me. Automatic. You got the tear in the leather seat. You got, oh, not mine. It's just dirt. A little scrape right there, but nothing serious. So they got a price on this one, $29.95. Yeah, I think that's a good price, $29.95. That's not bad. Older Volkswagen. Pretty good, right? I like the old ones. The old ones better. And then we got the big boy over here. We got the the Hummer. On the Hyundai, y'all. The big Hummer over here. Big gas guzzler. No price on it. I love these H2s. Y'all seen I had the toy models. Y'all, I had 3 Hummers. They were all remote control though. They wasn't the real thing. They was just nothing but a big Jeep. And this got the big tow hitch on it. Speaking of Jeep Cherokee, I don't like those Cherokees, but they're the Grand Cherokee. That one, the old one. You can really tow with this thing right here. You even got your tow clamps right there. The bars protect your tail lights right there. I love these trucks. Beautiful, beautiful trucks. You know, these are beasts right here, beasts. So yeah, then y'all, we go over here. Woo! We got a couple pickup trucks. Hopefully y'all can hear me. It's a loud noise. Oh, this is where I be seeing them. I never knew this was them right there. Got the Dodge Ram 1500 right here. I gotta watch them like somebody pulling up. I'll make sure my babies is good. The cab right there. Got the meaty tires on there. Got the stickers right here. Too much stickers. A little paint fade right there. Big, thick, meaty tires, you know. Little fade on the hood, no, I'm serious. Little tow hooks in the front. Ram 15, you need a new back cover for the mirror. You can fit plenty of people in here. But you can't see in the back because it's tinted. And then we got an old F-150 right here. A little bit of rust on the side here. This would be a good work truck right here. Got the my grandfather used to have one of these. It's probably like a 95 or older right here. And then we got an Escape again. So when they made the good quality pickup trucks. And again, a little bit of rust starting right here. This, y'all, you see the rust right here? This is what's on my Sentra, but my Sentra is actually worse. So worse than this. Yeah, the 4x4. What is all this shit back there? The 4x4 right there. Ford Escape. We just seen Escape, so nothing to really see. And then we got the Toyota SUV right here. This might be somebody's. They got tags on it, so I don't know. I don't want to be all up on it. It looks a little bit newer. Yeah, this is a 4Runner. I'm not. They got somebody's tags on it. But you know what? Yo, why they got a different tag on the back than the front? The 4Runner. Yeah, this might be somebody's in there. SR5. I don't want to be all up on it just in case, you know. You might like, oh, shit, up in the car, yeah. No, this, okay, they just got a Virgin Island tag on the front. Got a cool little boat over here. Old school. That boat you stand on with the sail. And then you just go. But, you guys, which one was your favorite vehicle out here? Mine would have to be the Hummer over there. As far as truck SUVs. And if I was gonna say a car, I would have to say, I don't know. I'd say, even though the Hondas are, you know, not like high-priced vehicles, they don't matter. I'd say between the Honda and the Beamer, because I just love coupes too. But hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I want to say thank you to the subscribers I have, and I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Till next time.